my channel and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a sleek back bun on natural hair. So before I get into this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications because I'll be dropping bangers all week. And with that, let's get it. Alright, so when I do my slick back bun, I only really use two products. That is water and eco gel. And water is kind of like the main thing that I use, but it's really only two things. So first, you're gonna part your hair. You can do in a middle part or you can do a side. I'm gonna be showing you guys a side part today, so I'm gonna just part my hair on the side. Alright, so as you can see, I have my part to the side and I'm gonna add the water side of my hair. It doesn't matter what side you start on, but I just use this side. And then I brush it to make sure it's straight. And then I'm gonna do the other side with water. And I kind of like having like a swoop to some extent. So you can have it any way, but I like having a swoop to the side when I do this. Keep adding water to make sure that the hair can lay down and is how you want it. Okay, and then it's time for the eco gel. All right, so now with the eco gel, you just put a little bit on. I'm gonna start with the swoop first. I just put a little bit on my hair and keep going. And brush it down. And then add the other side with some eco gel. And brush that down. And then since I got a lot of gel on my hands and my hair, I'm gonna just brush it down or like lay it down with my hands the way that I want it. Lay it down. And then I'm gonna put it into my ponytail. Looks like that to the side. And then I am not done after I put it in my ponytail. So once I'm done putting it in my ponytail, I'm gonna add more water. So you can see it looks like this. I'm gonna add more water so I can sleek it down. put water like on the back. That can be slicked down. And then on the other side. Like that. And then just adding a little bit more eco gel to that swoop part so I can make it the way that I want it. And then we can fix some of the parts that look weird with the brush. And then the other side, put a little eco gel. And then you can, do your edges and swoop it. Or however you do your edges. Then it's gonna look like this, and you're gonna be like, oh, it's done. But what I like to do is put a scarf on it. And I put my scarf on for about 5 minutes. And then you just wait. So after you took your scarf off, the finished product should look like this. It should just be really, really straight and sleek. And the back is sleek, and on the side it should be sleek. And that is how you do a sleek side part bun on natural hair.